Good morning students. In this session we will study the third example of Mendelian disorder, that is the color blindness. Now what is this color blindness? In simple terms, it means that you have trouble seeing red color, green color or blue or a mix of these colors. It's rare that a person sees no color at all. Means sometimes there is a few rare cases are there that the individual is unable to see out of all this none color. Okay. Now color blindness is also called a color vision problem. A color vision problem can change your life. And why it changes life? Because as we are experiencing many colors in our daily lives, whenever we are driving or we are going somewhere, so if the proper color it is not recognized, it may be difficulty to the particular person. Now what are the causes of this color blindness? Red, green or blue color blindness is passed down from parents. The gene responsible for this color blindness is present on X chromosome. Mutation capable of causing color blindness originate from at least 19 different chromosomes and many different genes. Here in this case, more males are affected as in comparison with the females, and they are the carrier ones. There is 50% chance of mother passing this condition to her son. Now inherited condition may be due to following, that is how the individual can get such type of disease. Suppose in our eye we are knowing that there are two types of light sensitive cells are there. One is rods and one is cones. They are both present in retina, which is a layer at the back of eye. It processes images, as we have studied about the how the image it is formed in the 10th standard. Now the rods are responsible for vision in night, as they work in the low light condition and cannot distinguish different wavelength of light. And cones are responsible for the color discrimination, and they are active during the bright light. Now there are three types of cones which differ on the basis of photoreceptor protein which they make. First is L cones. They sense long wavelength, that is the red light. Second, M cones, that sense medium wavelength, that is green light. And third, that is S cones, they sense shorter wavelength, that is blue light. So this three are the cone cells are there, that is L, M and S. Now whenever we see an object, light enters in our eye which stimulates the cone cells. Then our brain interprets the signals from the cone cell and enable us to see the color of the object. They work together enabling us to see whole spectrum of colors. Faulty cones thus are responsible for color blindness. Means if the cone cells they are not working properly and they are not generating the signal properly, so it may result to the color blindness. Now what is this acquired color blindness? Acquired means we have acquired after some period of time. First reason for this acquired color blindness is aging. Second, eye problems such as glaucoma, macular degeneration, cataract or diabetic retinopathy. So the general, you can say, problems related to the eye, and due to which the person can get this acquired color blindness. Now here we have seen the aging process. Now as the age progresses, we are knowing that whatever the water part in the eye are there is continuously drying, or it may happen that some person, the whatever the water is there, that is the liquid part is there, we have seen that aqueous humor, vitreous humor, if the particular amount decreases, then the person faces the problem. So as the age progresses, such persons they are experiencing the problem, and it may result